back to the class. So today we are going to see a new lesson, that is a lesson number 12, Julius Caesar. Very interesting story, I can say about that. This is very big story, but a small act, part 1 they have given. That is a just one small part they have given that. And so yesterday we have completed north strip, and I have told you also to write in your copy, and I have given you how to draw the picture also in your copy. So I hope you all are completing the copies, and those who are completing well, very good. Those who are not watching the videos, please watch so that you will understand what is exactly. So today let us come to the very interesting and beautiful story about the Julius Caesar. So this Julius Caesar, who has written this beautiful, I am telling very interesting, beautiful, who has written William Shakespeare. Shakespeare we know very well. He is a very famous writer, we can say. His way of writing, dramatically, the poems, everything is very good and very interest. We get lot of interest while reading his stories and all. Poems also is like that only. And here, this Julius Caesar, about him, 100 to 44 BC. 44 BC means BC means before Christ. So before Christ it was Julius Caesar. This story was a great Rome means about the great Rome general we are speaking. In that great Rome general, the Julius Caesar has made a very major role. So he has changed the totally transformation of the Roman Republic into the Roman Empire. So before it was Roman Republic, that one just he changed with his through him only this has changed into the Roman Empire. Caesar fought in many military camps. So with the military he has fought with the different people. With the rich Romans also he has fought. Everything has done. And here the Shakespeare tells the life of Julius Caesar, how his life was, how he has done in his life, what role he has played. It is an exciting play with many colorful characters, some powerful speeches, a lot of actions. So this story is very big story actually. So whenever you get time, just you read out. Not here we have, if you see in the net also you will get the story of Julius Caesar. Very fantastic story it is. And what he is telling, his characters, in this so many characters we see. And main character Caesar gets a statements within him the Brutus and Cassius. Brutus and Cassius are the main characters with other Roman senators. So with them, they both are also very important characters. Here is the first sense of the play. There we go to the very first sense of the play. In it, all means we are going to see here many characters are there, but in first main character, in main play, we won't meet all the characters. Meet any of the main characters. The first role we cannot meet, but you will hear the name Julius Caesar. Caesar name only you will hear in this, but you will not see any main characters here, because this is before the Caesar is entering to the Rome. All these things had happened when the Caesar was after fighting, after defeating, after killing the Pope of the Rome, because before Roman Republic it was into the Roman. He has changed into the Roman Empire. So after his after fighting, when he won that, then before his coming, how the people gathered, what had happened, when the people has gathered, what the Rome, head of the Romans, some people came, wicked people we can say, they came and they wanted to stop, because some are not liking the Julius Caesar, but common people all are very much fond of the Julius Caesar because he has done the good thing. So here Caesar has just defeated the Pope in a civil war. So he has defeated the Pope in a civil war. And after that, Marvelous and Flavius, two government officers. So this both Marvelous and Flavius, this both only we see in the first act. This both names only we will be hearing. This both only making the people to not to support the Caesar. They were telling the people. Two government officers to try to discourage the workers of the celebrating the event. So all the workers, they left their work and came here and they wanted to celebrate. But this both Marvelous and Flavius had tried their level best to send back all the people to their homes. So now you see Rome street. In this Rome streets, Flavius and Marvelous and a throng of citizens. So all the citizens. First one Flavius. Hence home, you idle creatures. Get you home. So Flavius coming in. Hey, all the idle creatures, all stupid people. Why are you here? You don't have any home, like that he asked. Then is this a holiday? What now you not? Being a mechanical, you ought not walk upon a laboring day without the sign of your profession. Speak what trade at thou. So thou means what? You. So hey you tell what trade you are, means what work you are doing. You don't have. You have given by yourself. Is there any professionally the work holiday you have given? Then you left all the works and you are standing here. What is the reason? The first reason. Why sir? Carpenter. Why sir you are telling like that? I am a carpenter. So again Marvelous says, where is the leather apron and the rules? Means what is the rules and all that? Why you are standing and sitting here? Why are you holding the leather and everything? What does thou with thy best appear on you, sir? What trade are you? So again the Marvelous came and said, why are you holding the leather and everything and standing here? Hey you, which trade you are doing? What is yours? The second, truly sir, in respect of fine workman, I am but you are to say a cobbler. I am a fine workman. My work is very good, but you people call me as a cobbler. Marvelous. What? But what trade art thou? Miss, first you tell me which trade you are. Answer me directly. So he told, Marvelous told you, answer me directly which one. The second sentence, trade sir, that I hope I misuse this safe conscience which is indeed sir. Indeed, sir, a mender of bad souls. Means I am the mender of the bad souls. Souls means he did not understand again. He was just bad souls means a cobbler used a bad souls means what? Cobbler. So the cobblers will be there. Na? The cobbler used a one or souls or soul. So when we want the cobbler, what he cleans up and puts the good leather and make it in a good way. So here he is telling, that is the I mend the my work. I make it bad ones into the good ones. Marvelous. What trade? Thou. Knave. Means are you a thief? You are telling you will soul or that this you are telling. Are you a thief? Like that cave means what here? We can say as a thief. Thou naughty knave. What trade? So again he told a what in knave means a thief. What you are? Like that is a second citizen again. 9. I beat you, sir. Be not out with me. 8. If you be out, sir, I can mend you. So I think you are little gone different. So which means when you are, if you come out, then I can mend you properly, he said. marvelous. What means thou by that? So he is telling, what do you mean by that? What you are going to tell by that? What you are going to tell me? Mend me, thou snow's fellow. So snow's fellow means like idiot fellow. What you are telling, you will mend me, like that he got little angry. The second citizen, why sir, cobbler cobble. So cobble you. So means he told, yes sir, cobble you, like that. Then by the time Marvelous is speaking like that with that one, by the time Flavius came. The Flavius, thou art a cobbler, art thou. So you are a cobbler, isn't it? The Flavius came and told, you are a cobbler, isn't it? So they had having the discussion here. First citizen told, I am a carpenter. The second one, when he asked why you can, Marvelous came and asked the second one. When they asked, he was giving the answer in different way, making them to irritate. And when they told him in a wrong way, are you a thief, like that? Immediately he said, I am not a thief. If you come out, I will mend you. I will mend you neatly and send. Then he got a little, Marvelous got little anger. Oh, you will mend me. How you will mend me, like that he was getting angry then. By the time who came, Flavius came there and he said, so you are a cobbler, are you not, like that he had asked the second citizen. Truly sir, all that I live by, see with me all. Means, yes sir, I live, means that is my work, that is the way I do. So I am mainly with no tradesmen's matters, nor women's matters, but with the all. So I just with my all I work here. So I take the things and I mend the that may be a woman's or that may be a men's matters. I am indeed, sir, a surgeon to hold shoes. When they are in a great danger, I recover them as proper men as ever rude upon needs leather have gone upon my hands work. So he told, sir, I am such a person, if anything, that may be a woman or man. So when I feel, when it is needed for the surgery, means if anything problem in our stomach, they make surgery. So I make the surgery for the shoes. So I clean old shoes, just I polish it, I use the good leather again and I will make it as a new one, he said. Then after this all the discussion over. But wherefore art not they shop today? Then he told, then okay, that all is okay. But why are you not going to the shop today? Why you all are here? Why you are wasting your time? Then the second citizen said, truly sir, to wear out their shoes to get myself into more work. But indeed, sir, we make holiday to see the Caesar and rejoice in his triumph. So they told, yes sir, we know that we have a lot of work. In the shops we have a lot of work. But still we are standing here means to see the Caesar. So the Julius Caesar is coming to the Rome Empire. So we want to see him. We want to welcome him. We want to overjoy. We want to rejoice in his, the way he is coming, that time we want to rejoice in this way. Then again, so by the time Marvelous, he said, wherefore rejoice? What concert brings him home? So why he asked you, you have to rejoice. Why? What great work he has done? Well, then he is telling, he has killed the Pope and he has done the lot of things. So you should throw everything. Means what? How he will come? Who will bring him? So to grace in a captive bonds in a charity bills. So how he will come? In a charity, he will come on the horse or somewhere bullock carts he will come. You stones or worse than senseless things. All these are senseless things. Why you are thinking? So you are hard-hearted. You cruel men of Rome. Knew you not Pope. So you people are cruel and very what do you say? You are not at all faithful to your Pope because he has killed the Pope. Then You have to feel that he is, and you are means they started to scold them and that and this, so many things they told. To see great folk pass the streets of Rome, and when you saw his charity, but up here you have made a universal show. So they started to tell how you have to be and why you are calling him unnecessarily. You have made a holiday. It should not be like this. Then finally they told. By the time he has told, who Flavius told, go, good countryman, and for this fault. So first you have made a big mistake coming here and standing and wasting your time. Please go back, and you bend there. You go home and assemble all the poor men of your sort. Everybody together you assemble and you cry and you make sure that you weep your tears. Everybody cry a lot. Why we came and we stood for that stupid man, like that they were speaking about the Caesar, because they are not liking this Marcus Flaminius are not at all in a Julius Caesar's side, but Julius Caesar is a good person. Then so all your tears should go. It should be like a river. It should flow. Many things they told. See whether they are the best metal be to be not more. They vanish, tongue-tied in the glitterness. So you go and you feel guilty that your tongue is taking such a bad person name. So you should not take his name. You have to make sure that you are going back home and you are praying to God that I have used such a names. Without of guiltiness, you have to pray to God. This broke the images. Means just you take out all the image of the Julius Caesar. If you do find them dubbed with a ceramics, so all these things you have to do, and you have to take a lot of prayers to God. Then again Marvelous said, Marvelous, may we do so? So Marvelous, we also should do, I think so. You know, it is the feast of Luperix. Then Flavius said that it is no matter, let no image be you hang with the Caesar's trophies. I will about and drive away all the vulgar from the streets. So do you too, where you are previous. So he told, if you are not going to do, I will push it all the posters of his vulgar words, means about anybody is speaking about Julius Caesar, I will make sure that we are going to throw that all the things. I don't want to hear, I don't want to see his images. No images should hang here, or no person should speak about this Julius Caesar. So like that they told, will make him fly on an ordinary pitch. Who else could soar above the waves men and keep us all in a civil? Means you are thinking that he is very good, but he will make us, he will treat us very badly. So you don't keep in your mind. So make sure. So this all things why they said, they wanted that no one should be there when the Julius Caesar is coming back. After the battle, when he is coming back, no one should be there to rejoice his happiness. That is the reason this Marvelous and Flaminius had made people made their mind and making their mind to be in a bad way about the Julius Caesar. But actually, when the Caesar came, this everything went, all whatever hard work they did, it was all went. All the citizens of the Rome have rejoiced and welcomed him very happily. And when he became a pope, and within them some has killed him, and how they killed, how they have called him, and what happened under. So they have given a like Julius Caesar back, page number 63, 64, 65. There is a story you can read so that you will understand. With this we have completed our English second syllabus. So if you want to know about the Julius Caesar more, you can read from the net also. You will get the good full story of this. I hope you have enjoyed. You also read the lesson to understand a little more clearly. Thank you all.